Trust me, it was devastated.
It was cool till we feel like nothing ever come, but when it touch after tree, it get dangerous. When we look, I say tree that tear them.
After tree?
Yeah. There's someone who say it gets serious.
Worse than Gilbert.
Worse than Gilbert?
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Jamal's family, how you do? Alright, we're good. We're thankful. We're grateful that we survived Hurricane Beryl. From all indications though, the South Coast got the hardest hit. South Coast, parts of Kingston, Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, back into Westmoreland. As you know, I'm basically reside in the St. James Montego Bay area. So right now in this feature, special edition I'm gonna call it, I'm gonna head out. I'm heading out to the South Coast. I'm heading that side to see a little bit of what transpired there. It's already hours has passed. I did a feature earlier. You can see it in the description. I call it the morning after. You can see some of the early footage of what transpired. But this one in particular is about the South Coast. I'm heading out. I'm right now. I'm on Long Hill. You can see some debris, some broken trees behind me. I'm on Long Hill. I'm gonna head that side to see what has happened. I know by now most of the stuff would have been cleared on the road, but I want to get an idea to share with you. Let's go. So this is something to talk about, guys. Look at this. This is the road. So this has not been cleared as yet. So this now is a clear example again of what has transpired. This is an Anchovy Mount Carey area heading out. Alright, and still seems as if there was another tree here that they just cut, fresh cut. So you can see that it was across the road as well, and there's more here. We haven't somebody giving directions here. So even though we actually headed out a little late, there's still obviously because of the damage, it still has not been completely cleared, as you can see. So we have been asked to hold on. We have been asked to pause because they're clearing the road, and this is a huge tree. This seems as if we're gonna have some longer delays than we were hoping for in terms of electricity restoration, because I'm pretty sure the power company is not gonna restore electricity until all of this is completely clear. And this now, basically, this road has been converted to a one lane. So that's what is happening here. Thank you, my brother. Yeah. Still damaged, guys. So I hope, well, you know, if this is anything to go by, although we're not quite there yet, but if this is anything to go by, then there's a lot of damage. There's a lot more damage to see. Oh yes, man. Yes. Someone is trying something here. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Bamboos and wow. Alright, so a lot of down trees. It seems as if the more I get out of town, get into the countryside, is more I'm seeing more damage. It's like an entire root of bamboo fell across the road. Ah boy, this is not good, guys. Heading out of town and this is what we're seeing. Not good. Maybe it's a good reason I delayed a little bit, because I guess earlier nobody would have passed. Would have been able to pass in these conditions at all. The spirit of community is out. The spirit of community is out. Alright. Water. River. This road has been transformed into a river course. This is Mount Pelier. The Montpelier area. Again, a lot of the roads have basically become a one-way. Montpelier is inundated with debris and down trees, guys. The general theme, guys, this we're gonna be out of there. This is still not. Now we're forced to drive on the embankment of the road. There's no road here, basically. We're driving on the bush. as you can see. I have it on the bush. If you're curious, this again is Mount Pelia. Mount Pelia area. So we are being careful. I know you're gonna tell me to be careful. We are being careful now. Definitely. More bamboo trees, guys. Remember, this is the main road, by the way. The main road from north to south of Jamaica, from Montego Bay side to Westmoreland, South Coast, St. Elizabeth side. This is the road. Wow. These guys deserve a medal. Gallantry and bravery. Oh boy. Thank you. Morning. You alright? Alright. Well, it's clear. Looks like a bamboo tree. This is carnage, guys. Look at that. Wow. Now, guys, this is now a down electrical pole. We're gonna have to make ourselves go through quickly. That's it. A down electrical pole. That's dangerous, dangerously, nervously, dangerously hanging over the road. This is a Ramble area. So just so you know, Ramble in Hanover. And we're heading south. Hopefully we don't see any more like that. But that's dangerous. There's something that I want to share with you guys. So in that trumpet, I did a video about the trumpet leaf or the trumpet tree. There's a link in the description to that one. There is tradition has it, or folklore, I don't know if it's folklore or tradition has it, that when a hurricane is coming, the trumpet leaves on the tree of the trumpet tree actually close or fold relative to its regular position, which is really open, flat, like as if you open your hand, right? That's a normal posture of the trumpet tree. I'm gonna use that word. Now this is it. There's some. This is a good example. Look at that. Did you notice? So long a little bit. All right, go. Sorry. All right, you have to catch another one. But anyway, the trumpet tree. I hope you can see that one. I'm gonna reverse a little bit to show you. The trumpet tree. This one here. All right, look at that. Good example. Thank you. That's not its normal posture. I use the word. It opens. It normally is. It is like you open your hand, right? But there's another one over there in the distance. You can see that. Yeah, that's a classic example. We just passed that one. The trumpet leaves close. I remember. I came back to me now because I remember when I was doing that video about the trumpet. I was researching information about the trumpet tree or the trumpet leaf, and it jumped out at me, and I read something. A gentleman in Portland said the same thing, that he didn't worry about people saying the hurricane is coming. He watched his trumpet leaf tree, and it's interesting. There's more here, yeah. And it's interesting that I don't know if I didn't take people cutting stuff on the road. I didn't take notice or take note before the hurricane, but definitely after the hurricane here, I'm still seeing some of the leaves folded. Now this is blocked. This is Ferris now. So we're basically south. This area is blocked, so we have to drive around it. Yeah, so back to the trumpet. Yeah, I wanted to share that with you. That it does seem as if it's true. How does the trumpet leaf know about the hurricane? How does the birds know about the hurricane? Alright, nature is amazing. God is amazing. Not true. I tell you. There's landslide here. Landslide here, guys. not good, not good, not good, not good. This is, you're asking where this is? You're curious, this is cave on my way to Bluefields. More of it. So this looks like this, yeah, so one way again. This is Bluefields, guys. Bluefields. It's not so blue today. Not looking good, not looking good. So we are essentially on the south coast now, guys. We are in Bluefields. So Bluefields is the Bluefields back to and then east of us. The entire area is called the south coast. And again, there's a mango tree here. Can just turning his area into another single lane. Yeah, so definitely we can see why they were saying that it was. You can see why they said that it was really horrible on this side here. And as I told you before, by now much of the cleanup work would have taken place already. So what you're seeing is basically what is left of it, or what left to, you know, to allow. They did what they needed to do to allow traffic to go through. So I can just imagine what it was looking like earlier on today, you know. I can see now. That's the sand. That's sand in the road here. But definitely there was some gust. Banana trees. Woo. So we're right beside the sea now. So yeah, I can see there would have been a lot of surge. What they call him? I think they call him surge. You know, sea surge. Jeff! Belmont Academy on the south coast. Serious damage. This is what do you call it? Jeff? Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Good. This guy is telling me that it was definitely again a greater impact of Beryl on this side. Surely. Look at this. Surely. Not normal stuff. Police here. I think they're kind of leading or directing traffic, but also they're doing some. Oh, look at that! The power lines are down. Those are high tension wires. Those are high tension wires that are down right now. So this is South Coast. We're talking about. We heard about it. Now we're seeing it real. High tension electricity poles are down. A lot more damage. Just as we were told, and I thought as well, guys, that Beryl had greater damage on the south coast. Greater damage on the south coast. Take a look at this. This is another down tree. Totally uprooted. Just as we thought. So it's a lot more like this. I just paused to show you because we've been driving. I've been driving and showing you clips and pictures along the way, but I just stop here to show you that this is fresh, this is raw stuff you're getting. Beryl and the damage it has done to the infrastructure here in Jamaica. Alright guys, well I'm on the south coast. This is we're actually in a place called Farm, which is a small community in Westmoreland here. Farm, if you're familiar with Farm, if you're familiar with White House, if you're familiar with White House, it's right between White House and Bluefields, right miss? Right? And this is a lovely lady here. She's sweeping up her yard, cleaning up after Beryl. I wanted to have a quick word with her. She agreed to talk to me. So you were here. You withstood Beryl here. This is home for you. How was it?
It was terrible.
What do you mean?
The breeze blew very bad. And rip off mango tree, rip up root of one breadfruit tree on the back there. Yeah.
We're gonna take a look at the breadfruit tree. And what else? So the breadfruit tree gone. And what else?
I'm a mango tree over there.
Mango tree. And obviously a lot of mangoes here on the ground as well. You lost, eh? Oh. Good. So how do you? I mean, from all indication, they're saying it's past the south coast here, south of the island. How in relation to other hurricanes, like the rest of them that you have known, how it compare? How does it compare?
Right.
You remember you were around in Gilbert?
Yes.
You were around in Ivan?
No.
Oh, but Gilbert. So how does it compare to Gilbert?
Worse than Gilbert.
Worse than Gilbert?
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Wow. Oh, but thankful. Yeah. So during this storm, though, I mean, did you feel?
Here?
Yeah, man, sure. During this storm, though, did you feel any? How did you feel? I mean, going through it, I want to get a feel because I hear that down here is where you guys get it. While you were going through the storm, how did you feel? How did you feel? I mean, what went through your mind, though?
I'm wondering if this tree will come down on the house.
Oh.
Everything I'm wondering.
This one?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay. Well, thankful.
Thank
You sound like a woman of faith, too.
Yes.
Okay. I want to look at the tree. Come show me the breadfruit tree, guys. So I'm on the south coast, guys, and this nice lady from farm here. This is the mango tree. All mangoes, a lot of mangoes. Every mango gone. According to her, it is worse than. Oh, I have known it here too. It's worse than Gilbert. And we remember what Gilbert was. It was a category 4 storm, you know, but it just started didn't hit land.
And this is a 4.
Yeah, this is a 4.
Yeah.
Where this? Oh, that's your mango, the breadfruit tree. Oh, poor thing. Your breadfruit tree gone. Our breadfruit tree gone. How long is this breadfruit tree was here, my friend? Wow. Oh, well, thankful that it did. You have a sauce up here, man, I can pick. And Jimbilin, come and pick it, man. Come and pick it because. Who picked them off?
I don't know.
Oh, this one here. This is not current, right? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's almost ripe, you know. Yeah, man. Pick it, man, because you never know. And if you have a lot of Jimbilin here, love country life, you know. See them, but them blow off too. Wow, them good? You can eat them. You can eat like this. Alright, guys, so. Yeah, I came to. Banana tree them down. Oh boy. Well, thank you for sharing, my friend, Miss Louise, this eh? Miss Malva. And the goat them survive? Yeah. I get me Jimbilin. Me get me Jimbilin and me give thanks. Thank you for sharing, Miss Malva. Yeah, man, and we are happy that we came through on the other side safe and sound. To God be the glory. On the south coast here, guys, getting feedback on Beryl and the damage Beryl it has done on this side of the island here, and I'm still in farm right between White House and Bluefields and run into some gentlemen classical playing some domino right after the hurricane, of course, Jamaican style. Who I get 6 loaves? No man, I can't do the youngster so.
I take time with him.
I take time with him.
Yeah, I teach him a lesson.
Same so. Alright, so both all of you living in the same area here, that's true?
Yes.
So how was the hurricane, boss? Tell me, one get an idea of how was it down here?
Well, an idea. It was cool till we feel like nothing ever come, but when it touch after tree, it get dangerous. Till when we look, message tree that tear them.
After tree?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's when I say it gets serious, so everybody start pull themselves together.
Yeah. How do they prepare though? I never really prepare.
No, we prepare for in the morning, although we think nothing ever go pass.
Yeah.
But
Back windows and stuff, you know?
Eh?
Put back up window.
Yeah,
man, and tie down rooftop and stuff.
Okay, good.
You know, but trust me, it was devastated. But it's long while. Cause we stand on veranda, you know. Yeah, man, I mean, I look all up and walk on and I tell you, say, the breeze of the trees them are way, man. You know? But it's good if you know how we survive still.
Yes,
you know?
man. Nobody don't lose no life down here.
No.
We give thanks. You see some dangerous some trees tear down, man.
Yeah, man, some
all out the
trees.
all out the sun, one whole section like one forest just tear down.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Because that's saying I pass on the south coast here.
Yes.
The south, so you guys feel it harder.
yeah, man, and in the farmhouse all those things.
Yeah, we give thanks.
Yeah, man,
Pops,
no life.
still around.
Yeah, man.
We give thanks. You're from the area too?
Yeah, man.
Okay, good. I will give thanks. Alright, enjoy the domino, man.
Big
Big up. Yeah, man. See, as you can see in the distance as well, guys, that there's a tractor trying to clear the road. As I said to you, right now it's basically one lane in the area. There's a lot of construction, a lot of work going on now to get things back together down on the south coast here. The area that we were told was hardest hit by Beryl. Alright. So right now we're kind of dilly-dallying, guys, kind of navigating. You probably just heard something on top of the roof there, because there are broken trees hanging in the road. So clearly the construction people, cleanup crew, has more work to do. Clearly have done a lot of work just to get things moving, but there's still a lot more work to be done. A lot of broken trees, a lot of down power lines, you know, a lot of that kind of stuff. South Coast, I'm curious to hear how they fared over there. But this is it. This is the essence of it. Beryl on the South Coast. Grab my attention though. These pieces of or sheets of zinc. I was curious. I asked somebody from here. I'm in White House now, by the way. What happened here? I'm told that these sheets of zinc came off this church, the Church of Christ. This is Church of Jesus Christ, White House. Look there, man. And they went. This probably is maybe like 20-30 feet away, but there's zinc as far as out there. Look at that. That's like 100, 200 feet, 300 feet away. Zinc. They took off from. The man say go when them fight over church. God have mercy. So the zinc came off the roof here and found its way probably about 400 feet, 400 meters. Sorry, not feet, meters down the road. Look at that. Wow. Wow. This road is totally inundated right now. This is the main road, not the highway, but the main road. So the road is gone, so we have to be taking the banking. This is out by a place called Sight on South Coast in White House area. Oh boy, and look at this. This is border, the famous border where you get the fish and the bammy. Down power lines and damaged shops. More of that, guys, out by border.
So we're currently in Westmoreland and we are trying to get a utility pole back up. There's Dad, if you can see him, and he is assisting in getting the pole back up with a few of the community's residents. I know you all don't know my voice, but yeah. So they've used a rope and they're pulling on the rope to get the utility pole back up. Yeah.
Now the down power lines, the broken trees and the block roads is one thing, but one of the things that from discussion with persons in the communities here that seems to be a common thread, guys, it's the vegetation, it's their fruits. Their fruits, they are saying, how am I going to manage now? Because especially these rural parts here, they depend heavily on the vegetation, the fruits, the mangoes, the pear, the breadfruit and all that stuff. And I'm telling you, the breadfruit is probably one of them that was hardest hit. This is a breadfruit tree here that totally gave in to the storm. There's some banana over there. Man, the breadfruit here got a beating. You can see breadfruit here on the ground again. Breadfruit again. All of this stuff was almost, or are close to ready, you know. And not all of that is gone now. Gone now, there. Then how am I gonna manage now? Losing all that stuff. All breadfruit trees. I think they said that 90% of the breadfruit trees in this area have been uprooted. So, but that's it. We give thanks. And everything we give thanks. The Lord will provide, not true? Yeah man, He does provide. Breadfruit, guys. That's it, guys. A tale of Beryl on the South Coast. I'd love to hear from you. To let me know what you think about all of this. We're just grateful. We're thankful that it was not as it could have based on the forecast. You know. Thank you for watching. I'd love to hear from you again. Put it in the comments, and I'll see you